hot peppers and dip. You will need red, yellow, and orange peppers,
Hi, I'm Finn. First we need to cut peppers.
Okay. Get your mom and dad to help you use a knife. Finn here is using a special knife that only cuts fruit and vegetables and not little fingers.
Cut the pepper into strips to make it look like flames.
We're going to make dip.
And for the dip, you will need 1 cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of dill powder.
I love dill. Everybody, now we mix. Lemon juice. Can I pour it in?
Yep. And a splash of lemon juice.
Put your dip into a little dish. Arrange your peppers on a plate to look like a fiery furnace, and
Ta-da!